Hi there, I'm Dalma, iVisa's travel expert.
And today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about applying for a visa to visit Ireland. If you're planning to travel to this beautiful country, you'll want to watch this video until the end because I'll also share with you some hidden gems that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and updates. So, how do you apply for an Ireland visa by yourself? Well, first of all, you need to check if you need a visa at all. Depending on your nationality, you may be exempt from getting a visa to enter Ireland. You can find a list of visa-exempt countries on the website of the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. If your country is not on the list, then you need a visa. You can also go to iVisa.com to easily check if you need a visa in seconds by inputting your nationality and Ireland as your destination. There are different types of visas for Ireland, depending on the purpose and duration of your stay. The most common ones are short stay visas for tourism, business, family visits, etc. They allow you to stay up to 90 days in Ireland. Long stay visas for work, study, family reunification, etc. They allow you to stay longer than 90 days in Ireland. Transit visas for passing through Ireland on your way to another destination. They allow you to stay up to 48 hours in Ireland. The visa application process is similar for all types of visas. You need to fill out an online application form on the website of the Irish Naturalization and Immigration Service, or INIS, and submit it along with the following documents: a valid passport, passport-sized pictures, proof you have paid the Ireland visa fee, proof of legal residence in the country from which you are applying, letter about your purpose of travel, proof of accommodation in Ireland, proof of financial means, proof of travel insurance, and any other documents relevant to your specific situation. The visa fee varies depending on the type of visa and your nationality. You can find more information on the INIS website. You also need to pay an additional service fee if you apply through a visa application center. After submitting your online application, you need to print it and send it by post or courier to the relevant Irish embassy or consulate in your country or region. You may also need to attend an interview or provide biometric data as part of the process. The processing time for an Ireland visa can take from a few days to several weeks, depending on the type of visa and the volume of applications. You should apply well in advance of your intended travel date to avoid any delays or complications. However, applying by yourself can be challenging and stressful. You may encounter problems such as confusing or incomplete information on the official websites, technical issues with the online application system, long waiting times for the appointments or decisions, missing or incorrect documents, rejection or refusal of your visa application. That's why I recommend you to apply with iVisa instead. iVisa is an online platform that simplifies the visa application process for travelers around the world.
With iVisa, you can apply for an Ireland visa in just 3 easy steps.
Number 1, fill out a simple online form with your personal and travel details. 2, pay the visa fee securely using your preferred method of payment. No hidden charges or extra fees. And 3, receive your visa confirmation by email. That's it, you're ready to go. Applying with iVisa has many benefits over applying by yourself, such as saving time. You don't have to waste time researching or visiting embassies or consulates. You don't have to pay any service fees or courier fees. You can apply from anywhere at any time. Getting expert guidance. You get access to a team of iVisa experts who can answer your questions and assist you throughout the process. You also get personalized instructions and tips based on your specific situation. Avoiding mistakes and rejections. You get your application checked and verified by professionals before submission. You also get notified if there are any changes or updates regarding your visa status. Enjoying peace of mind. You get a higher approval rate and a full refund if your visa is rejected for any reason. Now that you know how easy it is to apply for an Ireland visa with iVisa, let me tell you about some amazing places that you can visit in this country. Ireland is famous for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and friendly people. But there's more to this country than meets the eye. Here are some hidden gems that you should not miss. These are one of the most spectacular natural attractions in Ireland. They rise up to 214 meters above the Atlantic Ocean and stretch for 8 kilometers along the coast. You can enjoy breathtaking views of the sea, the sky, and the countryside from different vantage points. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that features thousands of columns that form a unique geometric pattern. According to the legend, these were created by a giant who wanted to cross over to Scotland. You can walk along the columns and marvel at their shapes and sizes. This is a medieval fortress that dates back to the 15th century. It is famous for its Blarney stone, which is said to give anyone who kisses it the gift of eloquence. You can also explore the gardens, dungeons, towers, and caves that surround the castle. This is a scenic route that circles around the Everrock Peninsula Peninsula in southwestern Ireland. It covers some of the most beautiful and diverse landscapes in the country, such as mountains, lakes, forests, beaches, and villages. You can drive, cycle, hike, or take a bus tour along this route. This is a museum that tells the story of Ireland's most iconic drink, Guinness beer. You can learn about its history, ingredients, brewing process, and advertising campaigns. You can also taste different varieties of Guinness and enjoy panoramic views of Dublin from the Gravity Bar. These are just some of the hidden gems that await you in Ireland. There are many, many more that you can discover on your own.
So what are you waiting for? Apply for your Ireland visa with iVisa today and start planning your trip to this amazing country.
You can visit our website by clicking on the link below this video to apply or download our app on the App Store or Google Play Store for more convenience and flexibility. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and updates. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.